Investors, developers, you guys are gonna love this one. This one is a true fixer, maybe even a teardown. Address is 5403 Shirley Avenue in Tarzana. Specs of the home, we're looking at 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,931 square feet, with a massive lot of 25,843 square feet in a flag lot. This home is privately gated, set behind a long, expansive driveway, and this is designed for those who value space, privacy, even flexibility. And the oversized driveway easily accommodates RV or boat and additional vehicle parking in addition to the 3-car garage that's included. The expansive backyard offers a unique tiered upper pad with beautiful tree-filled views, creating an exceptional setting for future ADU, sports courts, equestrian facilities, or other custom amenities. This home was previously utilized for horse stables, which you're currently seeing. The property presents a rare opportunity for equestrian enthusiasts or those seeking a versatile outdoor lifestyle. Whether you're an investor, developer, entertainer, hobbyist, or a growing family looking for room to expand, this property provides the privacy, scale, and possibilities to create something truly special. If you are interested, have any questions, my name is Michael Recinos, and my callback number is 818-815-7112. Happy to show.